A stunning sentence delivered by Justice Paul Bellefontaine, who presided by video inside a Midland courtroom this week, all but releasing Jake Wallace from jail after Wallace admitted in court to hitting and nearly killing a man in a downtown Midland parking lot at 3 in the morning last August. The Crown playing the court this shocking video of the attack, for which Wallace was initially charged with attempted murder. The video clearly showing Wallace, who was identified by police as the driver of the pickup that night, hitting the man and launching him into a curb before speeding off. Wallace, the court heard, was arrested, then released a week later under strict conditions, including house arrest. It was then months later, during a Christmas ride check in Midland, police witnessed the driver taking off. Witnesses identified Wallace as the driver. He was then taken back into custody and denied bail for breaching his release order. In 2023, the Crown told the court, Wallace spent 15 months behind bars for assault causing bodily harm. Despite these facts, the out-of-town judge sentenced Wallace to time served, crediting the 25-year-old with 9 months in pre-sentence custody for dangerous driving and assault with a weapon, finding the sentence fell within the appropriate range for the offense. The Crown had asked for an 18 to 24-month sentence. Justice Bellefontaine credited Wallace with being a steadily employed and longtime contributing member of society, backed by strong family support. His lawyer, Darcy Leach, told the court on the night of the attack the victim made a remark to Wallace about his brother, who had recently passed away from leukemia. Leach saying the man told Wallace, "I heard your brother got what he deserved," which then set Wallace off. The court heard the victim in the case was knocked unconscious and was seen bleeding from his head. The defense called the gravity of the offense relatively low because the victim fully recovered from his minor injuries. The judge ruled Wallace will spend about 45 more days in jail for breaching the conditions of his release, violating house arrest when he fled the ride check. Wallace was also placed on probation and is barred from having weapons on him for 10 years. All other charges against him, including attempted murder, were withdrawn. Once he's released from custody in about a month, Wallace will be banned from driving for 2 years. Mike Arsleedy, CTV News, Midland.